6 are agriculture and animal wealth. Agriculture. Agriculture is the occupation of most of the people of India. Almost two-thirds of India's population are farmers, as we have suitable climate necessary for agriculture. Irrigation is easy because we have sufficient water and the soil is also very fertile. Rice, wheat, millets, pulses, jute, tea, oilseeds, sugarcane, cotton, spices, and coffee are the main crops that are grown in our country. Food crops. The crops which give us food grains are called cereal crops. They are rice. Rice is one of the most important food crops of our people. It is a staple food for a majority of people. Rice grows in hot and wet climate. The deltas and river basins are best suited for the growth of rice. India is the second largest producer of rice in the world. It grows in eastern Madhya Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, West Bengal, Punjab, and Haryana. Wheat is the next important crop in India. It is grown in western Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, western Madhya Pradesh, and Gujarat. Millets. Millets are jawar, bajra, and ragi. They grow mainly in Rajasthan, Gujarat, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, and Telangana. India is the largest producer as well as user of these millets. Cash crops. There are the crops which are grown for selling are called cash crops. Oilseeds. India is again the largest producer of oilseeds like groundnut, mustard, linseed, and sesame. They are used for making cooking oil. These oil seeds are grown in various parts of the country. Groundnut and mustard are the chief oil seeds grown here. Sugarcane. Sugarcane is an important crop used for making sugar. India is the largest producer of sugarcane. The leading producer of sugarcane is Uttar Pradesh, followed by other states of Maharashtra, Bihar, Tamil Nadu, and Punjab. Tea. Tea is one of the main cash crops. It is grown mainly in Assam, northern parts of Bengal, and the Nilgiri Hills in the south. The largest producer of tea in the world is India. Coffee. Coffee grows in Karnataka, Kerala, and Tamil Nadu. Spices. India is well known for its spices like black pepper, cloves, chilies, ginger, and cardamom. They are produced in the coastal areas of Malabar, that is, in Karnataka and Kerala. Fiber crops. The crops used to make cloth are called fiber crops. They are jute. Jute is used for making gunny bags, carpets, and many more things. It is grown in Bihar, Assam, West Bengal, and Odisha. Cotton. Cotton is used to make cloth. It is grown in Gujarat, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Punjab, and Tamil Nadu. At present, the total agricultural production has increased considerably in the last 50 years. The reason being: 1. Use of fertilizers and manures. 2. Usage of good oilseeds. 3. Use of tractors and modern machinery. 4. Increased area for cultivation. All this was the result of the Green Revolution in 1960s undertaken by the government to increase the agricultural produce in India. Our animal wealth. The animals are kept by some people for usage or for profit or for pleasure. Such wealth is called animal wealth or livestock. The livestock includes cows, bulls, buffaloes, goats, sheep, horses, mules, camels, elephants, yaks, hens, ducks, and fish. These animals are a treasure to man. Uses of animal wealth. 1. Cows, buffaloes, and bulls are the actual wealth of Indian farmers, as they help man in a number of ways. Cows and buffaloes give milk through which we prepare ghee, butter, cheese, buttermilk, and different kinds of sweets. The buffaloes kept for milk are called milch cattle. 2. The farmers are helped by the bulls in plowing, watering, leveling the fields. Carts are drawn by them and they separate corn from the chaff. 3. The waste of cows and buffaloes is used as manure. It increases the soil fertility. Animal waste is used to produce biogas, the cheap source of heat and energy. 4. Animals also help us even after their death. The bones and heads of these animals are used to make many things. These bones and heads are also used to make shoes, belts, bags, and many other things. 5. These animals are also rich sources of food. We get fish and eggs which serve as good food. We also get fish from lakes, rivers, and seas. We also get eggs from hens and ducks. 6. We also get wool from the skin of the animals like sheep, goat, and camels. We can also make shawls, blankets, carpets, and woolen clothes from them. 7. These animals are used even as means of transport. The camels are used in desert and is called the ship of the desert. Mules and yaks are used in hilly areas. Elephants are also used to carry heavy logs of wood in the forest. White Revolution. Milk is an important part of our food. Great efforts were made to increase the production of milk. In this process, a new program called the White Revolution has been started to improve the quality of the milk. For the treatment of sick animals, veterinary hospitals have been opened. Animal feeds also developed and kept the animals in good health and increased the production of milk. care and tear. These animals are our natural wealth. They play an important role in the economy of our country and our life. We should be considerable to them and take good care of them. Let's revise the important points. 1. Agriculture is the most important occupation of the people as India's two-thirds population are farmers. 2. The crops that grow here are rice, wheat, millets, pulses, jute, tea, oilseeds, sugarcane, coffee, cotton, and spices. 3. The Green Revolution increased the agricultural produce in India. It took place in the 1960s. 4. The animals kept for usage, profit, or pleasure are called animal wealth or livestock. 5. The animal wealth is used in many ways. White revolution is associated with milk.